Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. This one is hopefully it's going to be short and sweet because my family and I are going to get ready to go bowling, and so but I wanted to get something out to you guys really quickly. It's Father's Day. We just came back from church, and I have a haul for you. And I don't have any makeup on. I do have one lip gloss. This is the Athena lip gloss by Lorac. Y'all, I've already told you I love their lip gloss. And y'all know I wear glasses when I don't have on makeup because I feel like it helps me look a little bit more presentable. Anyway, without further ado, if you're interested in this little haul that I have for you, it will be from Poshmark. Y'all already know I'm addicted. I do return to work tomorrow, so hopefully I'll have a lot less time on my hands and we won't be having these issues. But I've got a ton of the little accessories, a couple of clothing pieces, a pair of shoes I think, and a purse. So without further ado, if you're interested in seeing this Poshmark haul, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I've been really into the little fringe tassel earring trend that's going on, and so I have been ordering them because I hadn't been able to find them. I saw them like last season in Walmart and I wasn't on board with it then, so I didn't get any of them. And then just here recently the bug hit me, and when I went to Walmart to find them I couldn't find any. So I had come across some on Poshmark and I was like, ooh, I want some. So I just started looking under tassel earrings and I just went overboard, like y'all already know I do. So anyway, the first pair that I got, and like I always do on my Poshmark hauls, I will have all of my sellers linked below. Most of the accessories that I've purchased are brand new, and so they're under boutique sellers, which is basically the seller will buy things wholesale and then sell them to you. So that's kind of the case with most of the accessories that I purchased. So the first set is just this gold set here. I think they're really, really pretty. I don't know when I'll wear them actually, but I just thought that they looked really expensive. They looked better on the photo, to be honest, than they do in person. They look a little more cheap in person than they did on the photo. Nothing special about this seller. They just put it in the box and sent it, so which is okay, you know, as long as you send it on time. It doesn't have to have all the frills and stuff for me. I'm good with that. Just send my stuff on time. Okay. But this is just what they look like, and they're really, really pretty. If you guys are interested in my earrings that I'm wearing currently and my shirt that I'm wearing, then I will link the video to these items up here in the card for you. But yeah, these are just really pretty gold earrings. I like them. I like them a lot. I think they're pretty. I could try them on for you, but I want this to be really short and sweet, so I'm not going to do all that. But that's what they look like. Next pair came in this little packaging, which has some little flamingos on it. It's cute. I got two pair from this seller. I used my own little tip and went and looked at all of their inventory and bundled and got a better deal for this one. But the first pair in this one is just this black pair here, and it has gold. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's like antique gold trimming, and then it got pearls and rhinestones, and these are just black. These are really pretty. I wore these at my niece's graduation this past week, so yeah, those are really cute. Really like these, and I'm not even going to attempt to tell you what I paid for them because I don't remember. So next is this pair, and this pair is just super fun, very festive, just screams summer to me. So that's why I got these. I love the colors. I love the neon, the pink, and the green. I just think it's so cute. It reminds me of flamingos for some reason, but I think they're adorable. Am I out of focus? I feel like I am. But yeah, I love these. Super cute. So that was those. Next pair, let's see. Oh. I always try to pre-cut my boxes so that when I go to do my videos, I can get into them pretty fast. Okay, so this next one, so I have to inspect everything, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to film this video because we had been out of town, but this came before I left, and so I wanted to inspect it and give the seller a review before I was able to film the video. So but this seller's packaging was beautiful. So it came in this came in this box, but came in this box with this pretty blue ribbon tie and like perfect bow on top. It was so pretty, and it came with this personalized card. I just love the packaging of this, and I wished I could have kept it packaged so I could show you guys how it came, but it was beautiful. I know she had to YouTube how to make that bow. Had to. But anyway, it's just this really cute pair of beaded earrings. Love these. And it has like a string of gold right there. These are really cute. I wore these while I was on vacation with my family in North Carolina too, and I loved these. These were super cute. So that's what they look like. Nothing too fancy, but they were really cute. Gave my outfit the right pop. I just had on like a tank top and some shorts, and so it was a very nice accent to a very simple outfit. Okay, next is, so this is the box this came in, and this little card here, and then this is the little bag. Very cute. This one says thank you deeply. I think this seller's name is like Mermaid something, so all her stuff has a really personal touch, which I think is, this is the thank you card, which I think is very cute. I don't know what her name is. Like I said, I'll link everything below, but it's like Mermaid something Mermaid. Like what? Oh, A Mermaid's Epiphany. That's the name of her little closet. So I got 3 pair from her. I bundled these, and I'm going to save the best pair for last on this one, which I really wanted the last. The ones that I'm saving for last on this one are the ones that I wanted this whole bundle for. Like, I could have left the other 2 pair and just got those and been happy, but I saw these and thought they were cute. So these white ones right here, and in the photos, to me, these looked a lot bigger than what they look like in person, but they're still cute. I just thought that they were going to be a little bit bigger. I don't know why I thought that, but I did. So, but there are those. They're cute. Nothing too fancy, just some little white baby tassel earrings. Next pair are these really cool wooden ones. I thought these were super cute. Very bohemian, like really cute. Has these flowers and stuff on here, and then this gold accent here, and this yarn in the middle. I just thought these were really cute, and yeah, I like those a lot. I really like big earrings, and it's because I wear my hair up a lot, and so I think that they look best. Like, I think that they are most flattering for the way that I wear my hair when I wear my natural hair. So that's why I picked those up. Those are perfect for summer. Nice little pair of jeans and a tank top when you're not trying to do the most, but you want to do a little something. That's what those are for. Next, the best for last are these. Aren't these amazing? These are definitely giving me Gucci vibes, and they're the perfect size. I thought they were going to be small, but I saw she had a picture of someone with them on, which I can appreciate. If I'm buying something like a pair of earrings or something, it's great that people put the measurements, but for me, a picture with somebody wearing them or a mannequin wearing them gives me a better idea, and that is exactly why I purchased these immediately, because I saw how big they were and they were the perfect size for me. So definitely giving me Gucci vibes. This is why I got these. I am obsessed, and I cannot wait to wear these for sure. Super excited. Okay, so and she gave me a little blow pop in my bag. So that's all my accessories. Next, let's move on to this. So I got this brand new, never worn pair of Vince Camuto shoes, shipped in the box, which this box is gorgeous, by the way. Pair of shoes. They're these strappy taupe shoes. I mean, still have all the everything in them, but this is what they look like, and I love these. A nice neutral pair of shoes that you can throw on with some jeans, and be very casual chic. I got these in a size 9.5. Again, they're brand spanking new, never been worn. I paid $20 for these, and that is an absolute steal. So these are a little deeper of a taupe than what I thought they would be, but I still love them, and it still will serve the purpose that I needed them to serve, that neutral strappy sandal. So yeah, guys, brand new in the box, never worn, never even tried on a pair of shoes for $20. Poshmark is definitely the new age thrift store. Oh, I lied. I have one more pair of earrings. So this lady I bundled with. I got 2 clothing items and a pair of earrings. This is what it came in. The box it came in. She put the earrings in this Ziploc baggie and wrapped them up in some tissue paper. And they are just these funky pink fringe earrings. They're hoops. They're just kind of different. They kind of look like a Trojan hat, you know, the little Trojan man hat, but they just look like that. I thought they were different. So yeah, that's why I picked these up. Nothing too fancy. The gold hardware. Oh, the baby is crying, but my husband is in there, so he should be fine. Okay, so there are those. Wrap those back up. I'm actually gonna throw all my earrings in this baggie. Okay, next is this funky fringe vest that I purchased from her. This is vintage for sure, and I really like this. I thought it was super cute. Gives you Shaggy vibes. I like it. I may try it on and put it here so you guys can see what it looks like. But I just really thought this was cute. This is a one size fits all, or one size fits most. Yeah, one size fits most. But I like it. I like it. And then the next item that I purchased from her, I was really skeptical about, because vintage things run really small. And also leather does not give. But I ordered this beautiful black leather skirt. It's not really a mini skirt. It's more like comes like to the top of my thigh, but it is, I mean, to the top of my knee, the top of my thigh. It is a size 18W, which I have a blue leather suit that I thrifted that is a size 18W that I cannot even get into at all. Like I can't even think about zipping it up. It fits more like a 12 or 14. So that's why I was skeptical. But this fits me like a glove. It fits perfect, and I love it. It just smells like leather. But anyway, this is it. It has a split up the back. And again, I will try it on here. Or I'll probably try them on together so you can see them together. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Okay. And I saved the best for last. I got a purse. You know, I can appreciate people like watching my videos and, you know, never mind. I'm not even gonna address it. Anyway, I got another Gucci bag. It's so cute. So cute. Really cute black crossbody, and I love it. It's so stinking cute. So you got your G's up here, and then you got your monogram canvas down here. You've got a pocket in the back with the suede interior. And you've got your interior here, stuffed with paper. And I love everything. All the hardware is just so nice. It says Gucci here, and this clasp part is really cool. This is how you adjust the strap size. It's like a little hook. I think it's so cool. But yeah, everything says Gucci, and just a really cute, nice black crossbody. Nothing too fancy, but I love it. I'm obsessed with it. So please don't come into my comments with unwarranted information. Thanks, appreciate it. But anyway, I love this, and it is authentic. So don't come in my comments. If you do, I'll just delete them. But it is authentic. So yeah, I love it. It's my fave. So please spare me. Anyway, guys, that's it for this really quick haul. I am going to go have family time with my family on this Father's Day to celebrate my husband. And I will see you guys next time. Oh, we hit 800 subscribers, guys. We hit 800 subscribers. So I'm going to start doing teasers of everything that I'm going to be giving away once we hit 1,000. And yeah, so please keep liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you guys next time. I love you so much. And yeah, bye.